manufacturers are continually challenged to produce quality products, delivered on time, and within cost. Manufacturing monitoring systems, such as MES or ANDON, are excellent tools to assist with today's challenges. Manufacturing monitoring systems must have three qualities: management control over the production process, accurate information, and performance visibility. VersaCall is proud to announce the VersaVision system that brings a new dimension of control and innovation for manufacturers. The VersaVision system has been designed to support your current and future needs. VersaVision is a one-of-a-kind system designed to support legacy equipment, Industry 4.0 and IIoT. This allows you to monitor the entire production process regardless of equipment age. VersaVision provides a new direction for management and control, linking floor monitoring to immediate communications, scrap levels, material issues, actual versus target, output issues, and equipment failures, allowing you to address and correct issues as they happen, rather than after the fact. VersaVision captures the performance of your entire production process. Data integrity options built into the software ensure the information being captured is accurate. VersaVision can help you realize measurable results with improved control through immediate communications, live reports, and quality excellence. Identifying inefficiencies and eliminating waste to control costs and improve on-time delivery. Increase productivity and throughput. Continually improving your process will support current and future needs. Contact VersaCall today to learn how the VersaVision system can benefit your operation.